Hi everyone, today I'm going to be giving a Flipgrid tutorial for teachers. Flipgrid is an app designed around posting videos to engage students and is used as a platform for formative assessment. Basically, teachers will assign a prompt and students will respond with a video. This app can be accessed through a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Today I'm using a laptop. You'll want to go to flipgrid.com. This is the main interface that you will use to access the educator login, and also the page students will go to enter a code for their grid right here. If you've never used Flipgrid before, you'll want to sign up. It's free with this button here. You'll enter an email and just answer a couple questions. Otherwise, you're going to want to use this educator login right here. So now you're going to want to create your first grid, which is basically the place where you can add topics for a certain group or class. So you'll go right here to New Grid, select a community grid type, either student emails, student IDs, or PLCs and public grids. You'll name your grid. You can have as many grids as you want, so I suggest having one for each class or period. Then you'll have a code automatically created for you, and you'll just choose a photo. Click Next. For the PLCs and public grids, you can add a password to make it a little bit more secure. Otherwise, you'll click Launch My Grid. We are now on the main grid. So now what we'll want to do is add topics. So topics are basically the question or assignment you want the students to complete via a video. So you're going to want to click New Topic. Do the topic detail. We'll do Buddhism. Video response time, you can change between 15 seconds to 5 minutes. Add a display date, whether it be today or later on, and then write your question. So, 3 main aspects of Buddhism. So this is what students are being asked to do. Then you scroll down, you can moderate the video by deciding whether you want to watch all the videos before other students can see them. You can also change the topic status, whether it's active or frozen, and you can also change the dates you launch it and when you stop it in case you want to have a specific due date. You can add resources to the video, either by uploading your own video, having an image available, or an emoji. You can also include attachments to your topic. This maybe is like a link to an article you want students to read before they answer the video, either via Google Docs, YouTube, OneNote, your own files, anything like that. There's also a few video features available. Students will need to take a selfie before they post their video, so for the front interface. So you can include stickers or drawings on here in case some students feel uncomfortable showing their face, which is it's a good part of the app. You can also include video reactions, number of video views, have a video title, and student-to-student replies, which is great for allowing peer feedback. Finally, there is feedback available from the teacher in the form of basic feedback, where you're going to rate on a scale of 1 to 5 students' video performance as well as the ideas they presented. Or you can do custom feedback where you add your own criteria and your own rubric possibly. Then you're just going to create the topic. Right here is the code that'll take the students directly to the topic. This is what your interface looks like. There is one more thing I wanted to show you. If you go to the top and to Disco Library. Disco Library is where you can search and access other educators' topics and add them to yours if you like. So you can search a certain audience, a certain subject, certain goals, and then if you find a topic you like the caste system India, you can see what another educator did at one point. You can add it to your grid and have that available for students. So that's a great resource if you don't want to have to just create your own from the start. One last thing, if you still have any questions, I suggest scrolling down to the bottom to the Resources tab. This is going to take you to the Educator's Guide to Flipgrid right here. It's going to give you lots of new tips and tricks that I'm not able to cover in this tutorial. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.